Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. About 2.5 to 3 years ago, a friend of mine was down in England and he'd invited me to come down with him. He was doing various bits and bobs down there and he just wanted a travel buddy. And in those days, I was up for that kind of thing. Nowadays, it would be a little bit too much for me, but I was like, yeah, let's do it. And he said, why don't we go to Stonehenge on the last day that we're down there? And I'd driven past Stonehenge many times. I lived in Somerset and we drove past it at a distance, but I'd never gone close up to it. And I was like, yeah, definitely, let's do it. So I recorded a few bits and bobs while we were there. And it was a really nice day. Even in those days, it was a little bit painful, but it was definitely worth it. But I didn't get to get close to it again. By the time we got there, they'd closed it all and wouldn't let me up. So yeah, such is life. But I'll show you what we got, and we got some amazing footage of a few things. I'm not going to spoil it, but I think it's worth watching, definitely. Before I get on, can I just thank David, my Patreon. Dude, you're amazing. I really appreciate everything done for the channel since the very beginning, basically. And I do genuinely appreciate it. If you'd like to join David and become a patron yourself, pop down in the description, follow the link and do it, but don't feel like you have to. Times are hard for everyone at the moment and, it's not needed. Just enjoy the video. If you really want to help, thumbs up, share, that kind of thing, subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Anyway, let's get on. All right.
That's a Chinook.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so what did you think? Was it, was it okay? I loved when the Chinook came over because it scared the hell out of us. It literally, there was no sound and then suddenly the sky was roaring. It was amazing. It was really nice. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you would and could become a patron, please do so, but don't feel obligated. Anyway, thanks again. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.